Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Roosevelt Middle School in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. It's my first time getting to visit the home of the Wildcats, and I got to speak to the AM/PM after school group here at the school in the multi-purpose room. I'm outside on their main campus right here, and it was truly an honor just to get to speak to the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders today about a really important topic, which was all about respect and the fact that we're all true miracles, like the front of my shirt. And one of the big things I push in all my assemblies, all my presentations, is that all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects, but we have at least one on each hand. And this M stands for miracle, upside down W for worthy. But to really truly believe this and buy into this, that's huge. And a lot of students came up to me after the presentation, just said something really touched their heart, really hit home for them to, see that, someone cares, that someone, can still show love despite all the hatred that they've witnessed in their life or all the disrespect that they were faced with. You can turn that pain into greatness, right? So through a series of heartfelt stories, some emotional videos, some positive music, I was able to really hammer the points home about respect, compassion, empathy, inclusion, acceptance, and the students, it really hit here. And that's what we talked about too, is that this respect first has to start here, have to have the self-respect, right, before we can give that respect outward. And to know that, all of us have this power, to either uplift or destroy through our actions. That's a huge life lesson to get at a very young age. And to take that home with them today, to really kind of just digest, everything that was shared. You saw the pin drop moments and the opportunities where there was some growth, and they were really trying to comprehend what was happening. And first, of course, who's this guy coming here and doing hip hop? But as soon as the ice was broken, they were all ears and all heart. And for so many of them, to see that they want to make a difference and to know that they have the potential to, that's always an incredible feeling for myself, is to know that, I instilled, some really valuable tools into their tool belt today, and that they're taking something away, that they can rise above that hate, that we rise by lifting others, that they can still show that love without any conditions, and know that it starts with each of them. So thanks for touching my heart. Had a beautiful afternoon with all of you. Hope to see you again in the near future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone tablet wherever you're watching this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.